Amazon Pay Later. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video we are going to learn what is the Amazon Pay Later option all about, so make sure to watch the video till the end. Now some of the official or the new launch products are available for installments. What that means is that you can pay only up to 20% right now, and later the remaining you can pay till the rest of the month. Every 30 days you'll be charged for that. So this program allows customers to purchase products by making a 20% down payment and paying the remaining balance in 20% installments over 4 months. The first payment is due when the product ships and includes all shipping, handling and taxes. The remaining 4 payments are due every 30 days and are around 20% of the purchase price, and there are no interest, charges or fees for using this payment option. So hope this video helped you understand as to what the Amazon Pay Later is all about. If you have got any more questions, then feel free to also leave them down in the comment section. Thank you very much for watching till the end of this tutorial, and see you soon in our next video.